This is a Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan. We have a January 2006. We have a 2016 Hampton Bay Littleton. It's brand new in the box. The box is over there. So yeah, it's a Hampton Bay Littleton. My birthday. My dad got it at Home Depot for me, and I installed this today. I wired it yesterday, and I finished installing it earlier. So yeah. It's white, 4 blades. There's only one light. So here's the light. Here's low. I'm about to leave, so here's medium. Here's high. In the Hunter series, I'll show you 2 later. It's blowing. The Littleton's blowing the other fan. Which is now high. This goes really fast. That one's blowing. That's the top. Light. You can see you can see the Hunter series a little bit better. Show the top. There's the top of it. No, go ahead and turn it off. So yeah, there you go. That's the Hampton Bay Littleton, January 2016 Hampton Bay Littleton light. If you're watching, enjoy the video. Bye.